Not the pressure in there, just blow it.
Alright, need to count it. Hang on, hang on.
I'm videoing.
Rolling.
Oh shit. Go!
No, I thought it was quite funny the way it
You want to put
flapped
both sides of the gap? You probably want to put another bit of gaff around there.
Yeah.
Gas.
Is that it?
No, where's the new come with the gap?
You go inside.
Onto the gap.
That is. Oh, you've. Right.
Oh. We need another bit of gap around the top.
Bit of gaff around there, bit of gaff around there, tape round there, tape round there.
Yeah.
Get your job done.
Zip in the middle as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. Zip round
And then,
there. Zip round there, zip round there.
I might have some performance back.
In theory. Or a nice siren sound.
You already got that.
It sounds a bit like
No, I'm just saying, the more gaff you add, the more siren it'll do. Try and get it round the Jubilee clip.
Oh, gap, you telling me.
So yeah, zip tie round there, and then one round there.
There then. You pick them up right where I've had them in my mouth, so they're probably a bit wet.
And warm.
Yeah, this is alright.
We don't know yet.
And one around the middle, at least.
Yeah.
Possibly some extra gaff as well, yeah.
Ah, cable ties.
Cable ties and gaff.
Yeah.
It's a perfect turbo repair kit.
Creation kit. I think we could make a turbo out of gap and cable ties.
You make a boat out of gaffer
Although
tape.
we are adding weight.
So, me with all my kit in the car, there's no bearing over it.
To be fair, at the minute, this is only the beginning. You haven't seen the end product. This is Adrian. We're going to have like 3 inches of gap.
It's going to get worse.
It's going to get worse before it gets better.
Here we go.
Right. Let her rip.
Stand back.
Stand well back. It's gonna blow.
Tom, you want to see this now? We've added cable ties.
And gaff. Go on.
Oh, and all the security guards. Yay!
Come and have a look.
It's turbo right now. It had a leak down here, so we've gaffer taped it, and that turned it into a really funny noise. And now we've zip tied it back together.
We're ready.
Go on.
Look at that.
That may or may not last.
Get you home. It might not.
Keep the cable ties, keep the gaffer tape.
Keep them both. You know how to fix it.
Yeah.
It's warm.
How far you
Wind it.
gonna drive?
Pass the word.
2 hours.
Give or take.